In an era of artificial intelligence and rapid technological advancement, many are asking, are apps dead? Do we still need to download apps? Or has everything moved to the cloud and browsers? Today, we'll answer this clearly, and the answer will surprise you. The emergence of powerful browsers like Chrome, Safari, with advanced progressive web apps, many services has transitioned from apps to browsers like Notion, Figma, and Canva. Large companies now develop for web first, not apps. But does this mean apps are truly dead? The answer is no. But the landscape has changed. Apps remain strong and essential in messaging like WhatsApp, Telegram, iMessage. Device control like smart home apps, smartwatches, and cars like Tesla. And gaming like graphic performance, responsiveness, and impressive experience all rely on native apps. And number 4, camera, photography, video editing, apps like CapCut, LumaFusion, and Lightroom. So, apps that depend on hardware and performance speed still can't be replaced by browsers. Now, apps like ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot have changed the whole game. You can now have your smart assistant in your pocket that writes, designs, plans, and even helps you with calls. AI has created a new generation of apps that are smarter and new efficient. Not only are apps not dead, but they've evolved and become smarter than ever. In 2015, people would download any new apps. Today, people seek real value, not just statistics. And now, let's talk about successful apps today. Provide a clear and useful solution, are lightweight and fast, respect privacy, work seamlessly across multiple platforms. They haven't died, but the market has matured. Apps that don't add value are the ones that die. So the question, will we continue using apps? The world is moving towards in interactive artificial intelligence and in hybrid experiences between web and app, voice commands, interface-less experiences. But there'll always be a need for a specialized apps, especially in mobile devices. Apps won't die. They'll evolve with us. And those that don't evolve with us will disappear. So, in the conclusion, if you are a developer or user, don't waste your time on repetitive apps that offers no value. So think, does the app solve a problem? Is it better than what's already available? Or am I willing to keep it? If the answer is yes, so apps aren't dead. They've come back to life stronger. So please subscribe if you want more realistic and smart analysis for tech world. And also don't forget to hit the bell to get a notification for our new videos.